question 6.6. Once again, we have the same type of thing where in the previous one they gave us a parallelogram, now they're giving us a square, and we just need to answer all the questions and provide a single reason. You will see there's an Afrikaans and an English one that I've pasted there. Let's look at all we've got. So we can see it's a square because all sides are equal. We know from the previous questions that our parallelogram, each side of it is a 90-degree angle. We know that each angle is 90 degrees with a square. What else? Okay, I think that's it for now. Okay, let's see. We have, firstly, they say given all with sides of 8 centimeters. So that's not written in. So let's just put the 8 centimeters. So that will also prove to you that all sides are the same. With this question here, what is the angle if you put P1 and P2 together? So why would they ask that? Because it's one angle, because there's a diagonal line running through it and they named it 1 and 2. But I mean, if you look at this, you put P1 and P2 together, what's it going to give you? That's going to give you a 90-degree angle, a 90 grade. And why? Because a square angle is always 90 degrees. A reghoek, vierkant, 'n vierhoek bedoel ek, sorry. 'n vierhoek se hoeke is altyd die 90 grade. They ask you for M3. Just take those off. So now they want to know what that angle there is. But we already said each side is 90 degrees. So of each angle there. So the diagonal line, the reason is diagonals of squares are perpendicular. Diagonale lyne van 'n vierkant is loodreg. Make sure you put it in there. PQ, so that means this side. The 8 centimeters, it's already been given to me. But what would be the reason? All sides are the same length. Alle kante van 'n vierkant is dieselfde lengte. Then they ask you, what is the angle of P1? So they just want to know that piece. Just that one. So we know if the whole corner of P is 90 degrees, half of it would be 45 degrees. 45 grade. And why would that be? Because the diagonals of squares bisect the vertex angle. In Afrikaans, diagonale lyne halveer die hoek. So I'm just going to repeat that. Diagonals of a square bisect the vertex angle. It means it's halving the angle. That's just a better way of saying it's halving the angle. So diagonale lyne van 'n vierkant halveer die hoeke. That's all. Then you've got 6.6.1. Then 6.6.2. I'm going to read the question here from my side. Well, no, it's there as well. Write down all parallel lines in the square. Skryf al die ewewydige lyne in die vierkant. So try and see if you can remember it. So PS would be parallel to QR, and PQ would be parallel to SR. because all lines are parallel. So basically you're telling me PS is equal to QR, but you're also telling me that PQ is also parallel to SR because parallel lines are opposite each other, right? So that is what we did there. And that is question 6.